Hello, my name is Satish Alavarthi, working as assistant professor in mechanical department. Today topic is fuel and coal handling process. In thermal power plant, the fuel handling is very important view of the high operating cost. Here some factors affecting the selection of equipment. What are the factors affecting the selection of equipment means? One is plant fuel rate, plant location in respect of fuel shipping, storage area available. These three factors very important for selecting the fuel equipment. Now, how we transport the fuel means we transport the fuel by sea or river, transportation by railroads, transportation by ropeways, transportation by road, and transportation by pipeline. Here pipeline transportation is the very simplicity and installation is very simple and increased safety in operation, and it is more economical and large volume need to be transported over long distance, and we supplying the continuation operation and not affected by climate and weather. Manpower requirement also very low, so as compared to remaining transportation, the pipeline transportation of coal is the best one. Now, what are the requirements of good coal handling plant? We have following requirements are there. One is should operate with minimum maintenance and should be reliable, simple in design and operate, and require minimum of operatives, and should able to delivery requisite quantity of coal during peak demand, and minimum wear in running the equipment due to action of the coal particles. So these are the good requirements of coal handling plant. Next, what are the advantages of mechanical handling? In mechanical handling, it is very higher reliability, less labor required, economical for medium and large capacity plants, operation is easy and smooth, and reduced the health hazards, and minimize the transportation also. These are the advantages of mechanical handling. And disadvantages of mechanical handling: it needs continuous and timely attention for maintenance and repairs, because of machine parts are involved in mechanical handling, so we need continuous and timely attention for maintenance and repairs. and capital cost is very high, and we need a more power for running the equipment. Due to cause of more power required, it reduces the net power output. So these are the main disadvantages of mechanical handling. Here some stages are involved in coal handling equipment process. What are there means, the first one is coal delivery, unloading, preparation, covered storage, outdoor storage, transfer of coal, in-plant handling, and weighing and measuring the coal, then sent to furnace firing. These are the stages of coal handling equipment process. Thank you. Thanking you.